Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Great, Miss.
Okay, I hope you're doing well and excited to learn something fun today. So, we'll be learning about decimal through videos, game, and even Kahoot later. So, make sure you stay with me until the end. By the way, who here has watched Cheoche or Class of Champion? Okay, none of you watch it. So before we start our lesson, let's have a quick ice breaking. So Miss will play a short audio only clip. So please listen carefully, yeah, because the voice will be fast. If you hear a decimal number like zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.2, just send any emoji that you want, that you like. But if you hear just a whole number like 1 or 2 or 5, you must not send any emoji. Okay, so far, can you got it, guys? So,
Yes, Miss.
okay, cool. So let's go. Okay, I will share screen here. I will start the ice breaking.
0, 1, 2, 0.4, 0.5, 7, 0, 0, 3,
Okay,
4.1,
good.
0, 0, 0.2, 2.2,
All of you
0.3,
already
0,
understand.
1.1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 2, 1.2, 1.
Okay, cool. So, good job, everyone. That was fun, and I saw all of you can get it. The ice breaking instruction very well. So you were all very focused, and now let's begin to our lesson. All right. So today we're going to learn about decimals. Let's see why they are important and how we use them in real life. Okay. So the goals for today's lessons is the first one, you will be able to understand the formula of changing decimal. The second one, you will be able to use the formula. And the third one, you will be able to use Kahoot and answer question. Now, who already knows what decimal number is? Anyone? Okay, so I think you guys still don't know, yeah? So let's find out together. So I want to Titik to read this.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Decimal is a way to represent numbers that are not full numbers.
Okay, cool. So decimal is a way to represent numbers that are not whole number. For example, 2.5, we call it decimal numbers. So the next one, look at these two numbers. Can you spot the difference? Anyone?
Me, Miss. I want to try.
Okay, sure. Go
So,
on.
in the left side, it's use slash. That's a fractions.
Mhm.
And the right side, it's use point, which is decimals.
Good job, good job. So 1 is a whole number, and meanwhile, 0.1 is a decimal. So the dot change everything. So why do you think it's important to learn about decimals? Anyone want to try to answer? Okay, so we use decimals when dealing with money, recipe, time, or measurements. So that's why it's so important. Okay, imagine the recipe use fraction, but your measuring spoon show decimal. What will you do?
We change it, Miss.
Okay, you're so smart. Thank you. That's correct. So, uh, we need to change the fraction into the decimal. Now, to help you understand more, I want you to watch a video. on how to change fraction into decimal. So please focus carefully because there will be a game and question after this. Are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, cool.
I asked my friend, which way is optimal to convert a fraction to a decimal? I gotta know now. I can't wait till later. He said, divide the numerator by the denominator. So I asked, huh? Well, how can that be done? As far as I know, 2 doesn't go into 1. He said, listen, here's what you need to know. Just write a decimal point followed by a 0. And you know 2 goes into 10 5 times. Then the decimal point rises above the line.
The numerator becomes a dividend, and write a decimal point and a 0 in the tens. Divide and write the decimal point in the quotient, so 1/2 and 5/10 are equivalent.
Later on, I was hanging with my stuffed animal, showing him how to convert a fraction to a decimal. I divided the numerator by the denominator as he sat there real quiet like a spectator. I bet he was thinking, 5 can't go into 2. But luckily for him, I knew just what to do. I said, listen, here's how it's got to go. Just write a decimal point followed by a 0. Then 5 goes into 24 times, and the decimal point jumps up on the line.
The numerator becomes a dividend, and write a decimal point and a 0 in the tens. Divide and write the decimal point in the quotient, so 2/5 and 4/10 are equivalent. The numerator becomes a dividend, and write a decimal point and a 0 in the tens. Divide and write the decimal point in the quotient, so 1/2 and 5/10 are equivalent.
I had to get my homework.
Okay. Okay. So, how was the video? Was it interesting? Did you understand a bit more now about how to convert fraction into decimals? Okay, if not yet, don't worry. We will go through it slowly now. So, all right. So, in a fraction, the top number, this is the top number, is called the numerator, and the bottom is called the denominator. So please remember these terms because they are really important. Okay, so far, can you get it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. So in here, in the slide, I want you to converting 1 per 2 into a decimal together. Okay. Okay, first I want to explain it. 1 per 2. The first step, draw the division bar like this, okay? And then place the numerator. Anyone still remember what is the numerator?
1, Miss.
Okay, great. 1 we put inside the bar, and the denominator, which is 2, we put outside the bar. Okay, now we need to add a 0 beside the 1. Beside the 1. Okay, we need to add 0 beside the 1 because 1 is smaller than 2, so it becomes 10. Now you need also place a 0 on the top of the bar and also put the dot in here. Okay, and now divide 10 into 2. Can we divide 10 into 2?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, cool. So how many?
5, Miss.
Okay, great. So we put 5 at the top of the bar. So 1 per 2 in decimal is 0.5. So far, anyone can get it, the step, or you still confused?
Understand, Miss?
Okay, everyone is so smart today. So, how about this one? Can anyone help me to divide this into a decimal? What step by step?
I want to try, Miss.
Sure. Okay, let's go.
So, the first thing we need to write the dividend or the bar.
Okay,
And
great.
then we put the numerator, which is 2 in the inside of the bar.
Inside.
And
Cool.
then 10 in the outside.
10 in outside. Okay, that's great. Now, we need to put 0 beside the 2. And then, can we divide 10 to 20 to 10 right now?
Yes, Miss.
So, how many?
2.
2. Okay, cool. So, 2 per 10 is 0.2. Okay, do you understand, everyone?
Yes, Miss. We
Okay.
understand.
If you still cannot understand, after this lesson, you can tell me, yeah, so I can give any explanation more to you. Okay, now let's play a game. I already sent the list of group in our group WhatsApp. So this will be a group game. Do you already know, right? Your member team. Okay, let's play the game. I'm sorry. Okay, let's start the game. Please raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay. 8 per 10.
Group 1, Miss.
Sure.
0.8, Miss.
Okay, that's right. Next, 5 per 10.
0.5, Miss.
0.5. Alright. Next, 2 per 10.
0.2, Miss.
0.2. Good job. What about 3 per 10?
0.3, Miss.
0.3. Ooh, awesome. The fourth question, 9 per 10.
0.9, Miss.
0.9. Okay, cool. This will be a hard question maybe,
Group
but
1,
can
Group
anyone?
1.
Oh, sure. Please.
0.02.
Okay.
0.02.
Oh, that's right. Good job. And 1 per 10.
Group 3, Miss. 0.1.
0.1. Here. Awesome. What about 6 per 10? Group 2? Can you answer? Or another group can answer it.
Group 2 said 0.6, Miss.
0.6. Okay, that's cool. Nice work, everyone. So that was fun, right?
Very fun, Miss.
Okay, now let's try 2 extra questions together. So read read them from the screen. So let's see who's still focused in here. You can answer. All right, group 1, please answer.
1 per 4 equals to 0.25, miss.
Amazing, that's good. That's correct. Okay, next question.
Group 2, miss.
Group 2, okay, sure.
So the pizza has to survive is 0.25.
Sorry? 0.35.
25.
Cool. Amazing, everyone. So the winner is group 1. Yay. Okay. The next one, we want to have Kahoot time. Please ask permission to use your parents' phone, then scan the QR code and join the game, okay? Because we will do a Kahoot quiz to check your understanding. Can you get it, everyone? Before we start?
Yes, miss.
Okay, cool. Okay. It's still loading, guys. So you can scan the QR code on your screen here, yeah. I will wait 2 minutes until you guys all join. Kinda and Tiara already joined. Guys still wait on our friends to join it. Right, we will start the Kahoot right now, yeah? Are you ready, guys?
Ready, miss.
Let's see who's the winner at the end. Is 1 per 2 equal to 0.5 in decimal? Yes. Oh, cool. All of you can answer it correctly. Next. Okay, Cinta in the first place. Can 3 per 4 be written as 0.75? Great job, everyone. Everyone is already understanding about decimal today. Cinta is still in first position. Okay. Whoa. Is it will be changed? Oh, Cinta is still on the top, yeah? Next. What is this decimal form of 3 per 4? Oh my god. All of you answer it correctly. Amazing. Next question. Oh, all of you still answer it correctly. Amazing. Question 6. All right. Only there is a wrong answer. That's okay. Wow, Tiara on the top right now. So let's go to the next question. Okay, Good job. Next. The last question. Let's see who's our winner today. Oh no, that's fine. So, and the winner of today, who it is? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, second place is Cinta, and the first place is Tiara. Okay, yay! Congratulations and well done to everyone. You all did amazing today. Okay, before we finish, Miss want to remind you, if you want to keep practicing, Miss will share the free flat game link in our group, WhatsApp group, so you can play and practice converting fraction into decimal anytime you want. Okay, and also if anyone still cannot understand about our lesson today about how to change the fraction to decimal step by step, feel free to text me, okay? And that's all for today. Thank you and see you next time, everyone.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.